Greetings, this is the Passive Cash Stacker, and today I want to show you how I made $2,259 in 2 weeks using $94. First of all, if you saw this video on the first page of YouTube or Google ranked and you want to know how I did that, check my course below and I show you step by step everything I do in every video campaign so that I can get top rankings. Now, let's dive into the content. That's right, I went ahead and I ranked one video, and after 2 weeks of trial conversions, I was able to pull in $2,259. Now, let me go ahead and show you what I do to do this consistently over and over, and I've done this on thousands of videos as I show in my YouTube ranking course. There are two factors that make this very easy. First, when you are using your videos and you put them out there on the web, you want to make sure that your SEO video score is on 100. You want to make sure that you are extremely optimized for the keyword or keywords that you are trying to rank for. And you see here, this latest video, I have an SEO score of 100 and 19 out of the 21 tags that I have are ranked. And it's very important if you're trying to make money with videos, you need to make sure that you're ranked on the first page or you will not be getting views, clicks, and conversions. So inside my YouTube ranking course, I show you exactly how to get from having no channel at all to being able to build the foundation and then all the nitty-gritty things you need to do to rank and to be able to get out there on Google and other search engines and rank there as well. But the two main things that helped me get this $2,259 in 2 weeks are this. The first thing is being able to target the video SEO and being able to rank with all the main components that YouTube and Google is looking for to put you on the first page in the first spots. All right, right here we see PCS TUBEGROWTH, and it goes through all the steps that you need to set up. So you go ahead and create your video series, you create your key moments, you have your AI video description, you put in a couple of keywords and it creates video description paragraphs that help you rank your specific keywords. It has ranked SEO hashtags that are live on YouTube. It also has keyword tags that are ranked live on YouTube. And then we also have canned text. So things that you use very often, if you are going to use them a lot and you want to have them there quickly so that you can make your descriptions at lightning speed, you can go ahead and save the things that you use all the time. So all you do is you go ahead and press a button and it automatically populates what you use on a regular basis. And to draw attention inside of your description, we also use emojis for click-through and to draw attention to specific things we want to draw eyes to when people are looking at our description. The second thing that I use is Yive 3.0 from yiveapp.com. Now, this one right here, I actually have a full demo video on this as well, but all you have to do is you go to Stacker, you go to Campaigns, and you get to the Yive Stacker Views module. You say, create new campaign, you say what it is, you put in your link, how many views that you want to be able to have it interact with likes, subscribes, shares, all that kind of good stuff. And over a 30-day period, it will be able to interact so that you can get better rankings and be in the top spots. So hopefully this helps show you how I was able to get $2,259 in 2 weeks. It's very simple if you focus and you do exactly what you need to do. Those are the two things that I use to be able to get that on a continuous basis all the time with several videos. I will have the links below to the specific trainings on how to use the extension itself, how to use the Yive 3.0 Stacker Views, as well as a discount link for 50% off my YouTube ranking course if you're interested on making money on YouTube videos constantly and continuously by self-monetizing your own content. Thanks for watching. Smack that thumbs up and leave a comment down below on what's the most you've made from a video.